What's up, everybody? This is Elisha, and I'm very excited about this video. I think it will help someone that needs some funding, some more credit, get your credit limit a little higher. So, the biggest thing I want to just emphasize is I am not no credit expert or anything in that nature. I'm just giving you my personal experience. I believe, truthfully, from my experience so far, Truist is probably one of the best banks as far as lending goes so far. And I don't know if it's just right now or if it's going to continue on or whatever the case may be. But as far as funding and lending, they are very credit friendly when it comes to soft pull, pre-approvals, not even putting inquiries and giving you credit. So my experience is this: I kept trying to get inside of Truist by way of just getting the pre-approval, but it was always a glitch in the system. But then one day, I guess I bypassed the glitch in the system, and they approved me. And so far, I have like $13,000 with Truist. I have in within a month or so. And so literally I have not opened up a checkings account. I have not put no or a savings account. I haven't put not $1 inside of Truist, and they've already given me 13,000. My experience with banks, not many banks are giving just 13, $14,000 or whatever the case may be, $20,000 with people that they don't know. A lot of times you have to build a relationship with them. So imagine what they can give you once you have built now and established a relationship for 3 to 6 months or whatever the case may be. The power is in the credit aspect. Once you get your credit to a certain place, you can begin to go to different banks, your personal credit, go to different banks and see how much they will give you, definitely with the pre-approval things that they have. As far as Truist goes, it was an easy process. I got two cards. They only gave me like 6,500 for each card, but I didn't get any inquiry. So it didn't hurt me any because I didn't get any inquiry of it. I was just trying to see if I could get one. Once you get in the system, they will not do an inquiry as far as I understand. I didn't get any inquiry for neither one of the cards, but the glitch, I bypassed any glitch on the second go around because I was already in the system. So what I would recommend you do is, if you are finding yourself in that glitching stage when you're trying to go in, they're glitching, I would go in and I will create a checkings account, become a client, whether you go inside the store or go inside the bank or not. I would go and I would create a checkings or a savings account or something in that nature, become a client. Once you become a client, now go back online and do the pre-approval and see if it will bypass it, because now you won't have to put I am not a client. You can put that I am a client, or you can put a client. You already have the app. You can go and apply through the app and you will not have any glitching. I would go in that way instead of going in the way of just not being a client or whatever. You'll probably end up getting a glitch. So that's the way to bypass that. I kept getting a glitch, so I was like, I forget about this Truist. But I'm telling you, get you some Truist, because if you can get 4 credit cards, right? 4 credit cards. I only got 2 right now. I don't know if I'm gonna get another 2 as of right now, but I have 2 right now. But you can get up to 4 credit cards with no inquiries or 1 inquiry. I never got any inquiries, but you can get 4. And if that is powerful, because if you don't have any credit right now, if you get a $10,000 credit limit on each card, that's $40,000, right? And they typically will give you the same exact amount of money for each card. So I would say that this Truist is probably better than some credit unions, if not a lot of credit unions around my area, local credit unions and bigger credit unions. To not give you any inquiries, to not have to build a relationship with them at all, and they will still give you lending, is amazing in itself. You typically have to build a relationship with them, put 6 months, 3 months, or whatever, put $100 in there. You don't even have to do that with Truist. Go in there, get the funding, and build a relationship afterwards so you can get even more funding. I would take advantage of Truist while you can. So But that's pretty much it. I do want to put another video out. This is not a credit channel at all, but I figured this is what helped me, and I would like to help other people. I went from like $5,000 to $75,000 in credit in just a few months. And so I want to share how I did it, maybe in the next few videos, how easy it is to get credit. It's not hard as people may seem. You don't have to pay a $3,000 course, $2,000 course to get funding, but the use of it is so powerful. Once you get a hang to it, the use of it is very powerful. You can start so many businesses once you get a hold to credit.